welcome to our CKH rehab area.
Okay.
So here is the final stage for our turtle rescue rehab program. So right now we are currently rehabilitating 2 turtles. Both of them are green sea turtles.
Yes.
The big one, that one is named COVID. But the smaller one, the name is Barbara.
爸爸，
爸。
我们现在看到2只，这只大的就是背甲受伤嘛，后面那边受伤。
对，
小的这一只好像是后脚不见了。
So both of them have basically the same problem. Where if you see on their back, you can see there are a crack. Basically, the injuries are caused by boat strike. They also have another thing that we call as floating syndrome, which means back then they are both floating without the ability to dive down.
How long for the
How long a period of time?
Well, COVID has been with us for nearly 4.5 years now.
4 years.
Well, Barbara 1 year. So it really depends on how severe the case is.
Yes.
遇到一些受伤的海龟呢，他们都会送去不同的中心，然后就让他们看到，这个海龟是可以开始就是潜水的时候，就放他们回到海上，
就来到这边，让他们先适应一段时间。
对。
So Kobe lived in this
No,
area for
she was only here since December last year. Before this, she was inside our Marine Center rehab tank. Later on, when you visit our Marine Center, you can see there's a big blue tank outside.
So this is the last stop.
This is the final stop. So if everything goes okay, we are planning to release them by August this year. Yes.